Docker Compose up. That's it. You now have Claude Code CLI, a web interface, headless Chromium with Playwright, 7 AI CLI providers, 50+ development tools, process supervision with auto restart, and it all runs on your existing Anthropic subscription, no extra cost. This is HolyClaude, a containerized AI development workstation that eliminates the setup problem permanently. It runs on Linux, Mac, Windows, Raspberry Pi, Oracle Cloud, and even Synology NAS. Let me show you what's inside. HolyClaude is a Docker image that packages everything you need for AI-powered development into a single container. The creator, coder Louis, built it because he was tired of redoing the same setup every time. Installing Claude Code, wiring up a web UI, configuring Chromium and Docker, fixing permission issues, debugging process supervision. HolyClaude consolidates weeks of battle-tested troubleshooting into one command. The container includes the official Claude Code CLI, not a wrapper, not a proxy, the real CLI from Anthropic, a web interface called Claude CLI that lets you access Claude Code from your browser, headless Chromium with XVFB, so Claude can take screenshots and run browser automation, and 50+ dev tools, Node.js, Python, TypeScript, database clients, Git, ImageMagick, FFmpeg, the works. Authentication uses your existing Anthropic subscription via OAuth. No additional billing. HolyClaude, your entire AI development workstation in one Docker command. Claude Code CLI, a web UI, headless Chromium with Playwright, 7 AI CLI providers, and 50+ dev tools, all in a single container. Uses your existing Anthropic subscription, no extra cost. Authentication via OAuth, credentials persist across rebuilds, runs on Linux, Mac, Windows, Raspberry Pi, Oracle Cloud, and Synology NAS. The container includes Node.js, Python, TypeScript, database clients, Git, ImageMagick, FFmpeg, everything a developer needs. S6 overlay handles process supervision with auto restart. 2 image variants, full with everything, or slim for constrained environments. 30 seconds to set up. Docker Compose up and you are coding. Full video and description. The container architecture is built on Debian Linux, with S6 overlay as the init system. S6 handles process supervision. If a service crashes, it auto-restarts without needing to restart the entire container. Graceful shutdown is built in. The display server is XVFB, providing a virtual X11 session for headless Chromium. This means Claude can launch a browser, take screenshots, run Playwright tests, and do web scraping, all without a physical display. The web interface is Claude CLI with a plugin architecture, accessible on port 3001. Your credentials are stored in bind-mounted volumes on your host. They survive container rebuilds and are never proxied through any third party. The workspace directory maps to your host file system, so everything Claude creates is immediately accessible outside the container. HolyClaude doesn't just give you Claude Code, it ships with 7 AI CLI providers pre-installed. Claude Code is the primary, authenticated via your Anthropic OAuth or API key. Gemini CLI for Google's models. OpenAI Codex for legacy and alternative completions. Note that this requires a separate OpenAI API key, not a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Cursor CLI for the Cursor IDE ecosystem. Taskmaster AI for workflow automation using whichever provider keys you've configured. Junie for JetBrains integration. And OpenCode with multi-provider support configured through a TOI. You inject the API keys as environment variables in your Docker Compose file, and each provider is ready to use inside the container. Installation is genuinely 30 seconds. Create a folder, drop in the Quick Start Docker Compose template from the README, and run Docker Compose up-D. The container pulls, starts the S6 services, and Claude CLI is ready on port 3001. Open it in your browser, sign in with your Anthropic account through OAuth, and you're coding with Claude. No .env file required for the basic setup. Your credentials persist in the data volume across container rebuilds. The workspace directory maps to your host for easy file access. For advanced configuration, you can set time zone, Node.js memory allocation, user ID mapping for file permissions, and push notifications through a prize to Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email. The platform support is impressive. Linux on AMD 64 and ARM64. Native performance on standard servers and RM machines like Raspberry Pi 4, Oracle Cloud Free Tier, and AWS Graviton instances. macOS with Docker Desktop. Both Apple Silicon and Intel. Windows 10 and 11 with WSL2 backend. And NAS devices, Synology and QNAP with polling-based file watching to handle network file system limitations. The container requires SYS admin capability for Chromium sandboxing and 2 GB of shared memory minimum. But beyond that, it's standard Docker. If your machine runs Docker, it runs HolyClaude. The creator has tested and documented every platform with specific gotchas and configuration tweaks. HolyClaude is free, open source, MIT licensed. One Docker compose up and you're running. Links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more developer tools every week. See you in the next one.